Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix and able to verify the account name or password in Mac Mail app. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. For that, launch the Mail app on your MacBook. Click on the Mail at the top left corner of the menu. Then click on Settings in the drop-down menu. Here click on Account. Select the account that is causing the issue. Then click on minus button at the top left corner to remove the account. Now tap on Internet Account in the pop-up menu. Click on Delete Account. Are you sure you want to remove the account? Then tap on OK. After doing this, wait for few seconds. Then tap on plus button to re-enter your email account. Select the mail service in which you want to log into your mail account. Now our internet browser will open. Here enter your email account. Then tap on next button. Here enter your email password. After that, tap on done button. Here tap on continue. Here you need to select what MacBook can access in your mail account. Then tap on continue. Here check the mail account. Then tap on done button. After doing this, unable to verify account name or password issue will be resolved on your Mac Mail application. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.